A non-stick coated pan. It seems like a simple thing, but did you know that many non-stick coatings are made with toxic chemicals? How does it work, and what do you need to consider when you buy a pan with a non-stick coating? Let me explain. Let's go back to the beginning. Nobody wants their food to stick to the pan, which is why you'll find a non-stick coated pan in every kitchen cupboard, even yours. Pans with a non-stick coating are essential to many of us. Shocking, but yes, it can. Although it's not the coating itself that is toxic, but many conventional non-stick coatings are made with PFAS. PFAS stands for poly and perfluoroalkyl substances. It's the collective name for over 6,000 chemical substances that are used to make products resistant to water, oil, and dirt. During the production of conventional non-stick coating, or possibly when overheated, these substances can enter our water, food, and eventually our bodies. And this can be harmful to our health. Fortunately, PFAS-free non-stick coatings are available, such as ceramic non-stick coating. A ceramic non-stick coating is a healthy non-stick coating made without PFAS. Back in 2007, the founders of GreenPan discovered that many conventional non-stick coatings were made with PFAS. They set out to find a healthy alternative and were the first on the market to develop a PFAS-free ceramic non-stick coating. Your food will slide out of the pan just as easily with our ceramic coating. All the benefits of a non-stick coating, but without harmful chemicals. The basic ingredients of our ceramic non-stick coatings are derived from sand. We also reinforce our ceramic non-stick coating with diamonds for an extra non-stick durability. Diamonds make the non-stick coating extremely long-lasting and more scratch-resistant. We produce our PFAS-free pans in our own factories. This means we can continue to improve our products and guarantee the healthiest non-stick coating for you.